Hi, it's Alex from Backyard Grannies, and today I'm really excited to be able to show you through this beautiful Hamptons-inspired granny flat. Set in the quiet lakeside suburb of Belmont, this Hamptons-inspired granny flat boasts effortless living. With an abundance of windows throughout, this property is light and spacious. The kitchen is welcoming and stylish. It features gold hardware, shaker profile cabinetry, and a servery window connecting it to the outdoors. The bathroom includes floor-to-ceiling tiles, a wall-hung vanity, and gold tapware. The separate laundry space is functional and convenient, hidden behind double doors. The home offers year-round comfort, with a split-system air conditioner in the living and ceiling fans in each of the 2 bedrooms. There is plenty of storage opportunities too, with built-in wardrobes, a generous linen cupboard, and an attached workshop with internal access. With towering ceilings, a stunning feature window, and gold accents throughout, this custom property exemplifies the potential of what we can achieve at Backyard Grannies. Inspired by what you could build in your own backyard? Get in touch today.